So today I'll be showing you how to create amazing backgrounds using AI prompts, either from image effects or whisk. So I think I'll be using the one for whisk. I'll also be dropping the prompt in the comment section. So this is what I did. I wanted something different from what I've been getting before. Of course, that's a Crocs brand. So you open your Canva, um upload or import the picture which you have downloaded, like I said. So I'm using the one from whisk, and I think I prefer that. We can use both, same prompt for different AI platforms. So after uploading your image, you put it there. And one of the things I love doing is I love playing around with background. So I removed the background of the image. After removing the background of the image, I decided to try something different from what I've been doing before. So quickly, transparency and all of that. So I've started editing the image. So one of the things I've also come to understand on Canva is that do not limit yourself to just the template you have on Canva. Start playing around. So I love patterns. I like creating patterns or applying patterns to some of my designs. So this is how it looks like. The pattern would help you pop out the image, and the next is to look for the font. So I love this tall font. So I wanted something that would at least cover like half of the image. So the font name is tall. If you go to Canva, just search for tall, you see there. So click on tall, increase it, and drag it down to the background. Of course, change it to white, make it pop, push it to the back. And don't forget that you also need to put shadows below as well, so you can make the text pop as well. So now one of the things you also need to do is don't forget the fact that this design is like for a brand, and you also need to make the brand pop. So there's always a standard for designing for brands. So keep pushing and keep pushing, and keep doing what you know how to do best. So now after that, another thing I wanted to do is change the style of this design. So by labeling some of the Crocs, part of the Crocs, so from the sole to the covering to the ventilation to the hook to the every other thing there. So I had to just play around the design, label them and all of that. So like I said, so I love this design so much. Love this design so much. Add all of the labels, put all of those things together, and boom, there you go. So add the logo, and you can just download it, and you can use it for social media. Thank you. See you next time.